Hello friends, the other day my very good friends of Photo Grancy in Lausanne, Switzerland gave me a call and they told me, listen, we have a box full of lenses and cameras, do you want it? Obviously are lenses that are not working perfectly, cameras that are not working perfectly, but they gave it to me for free, so I was very happy about that. And among the things that were inside, you had this very nice Zeiss Distagon 28mm 2.8, a wonderful lens that I've been wanting for a really long time. And this particular one had an issue that whatever you do, the diaphragm was remaining open even if you go further. So if you try to go to f22, or f22, no, it's the other way around. If you want to go to 2.8, it was staying this way, so it was not opening entirely. I already fixed that. I discovered this lens has a very weird, well, it is the first time I see this kind of diaphragm system, but I was able to understand it and fix it. I will explain to you that on a different video. So what we're going to do here really is something really simple. We are going to clean the lens, and by cleaning I mean we are going to open, we're going to remove dust, and in the case you have fungus or you have haze, you will need to apply the same procedure to access the lens elements. So first thing, we are going to remove the front. No beauty ring. The front here removes entirely, so you need to grip this firmly and you see it will rotate. So the first time I'm doing it right now barehanded, but the first time I had to use a rubber glove to hold it, get very good grip, and this way this thing rotates. There is a layer of glue that is going to be broken when you do that. Okay, here you go, we have removed the front. Then we repeat the same operation for this optical element that I'm holding with my fingers right now. And then here two things can happen, so pay attention. So here you see the little slot here which is rotating, so that's one option. So everything is going to come out. Or the other thing that can happen is that the slot remains fixed, it doesn't move, and you have this cup which is rotating low. If you want to disassemble the optical block, you will need obviously to separate the two of them. If you want just to remove the optical block, as I'm doing here, you want the slot to rotate. So if it is not coming out, simply you will need to use a spanner key like the one I have here. Then you put it into the slots, then you apply some torque, it's going to rotate, and this way you will be able to unscrew this thing, which is the first half of the optical block. And then here, if you have dust like I do, very simple, just come and blow. If it's fungus, haze or something that is more difficult to remove, you can take a look at this video here, for example, to remove the fungus, or you can take a look at this video here for a more general cleaning of a glass surface. So I'm not going to dig into details because it was just dust and we just blew it away. So this is first half of the cleaning. Then the other thing you need to do is, if you open the diaphragm, you have the other half of the optical elements. What you can do is just simply blow, and the dust, if it is just dust, it will be gone away. And if it's something more thorough to clean, you will need either to perform the operations from the side using as a support the videos I just mentioned before, or you can remove this element, which is also very simple. You come here to the back and then you will see a shape like this, to a flat and then a ring in the middle. Why I'm insisting about this, because you have another model which is just plain, don't have the ring, and this one you cannot remove it. If you unscrew here, you see it's just this ring who comes out, and I haven't found a way to remove this. And this is just the exact lens, a slightly different version. So if you have this version that you cannot remove the back, yeah, you will have to work from the front here. However, this one I'm showing you, you can remove. So what I do is I take my, okay, let me take the right, I take this tool which is called a rubber cone. They come usually in a set of different sizes. You can find a link to them in the video description. And then what I do is I apply some torque, I rotate, and then this thing is going to become loose. So now I unscrew. It's just a thread holding it. And then here I can remove the optical element. I can blow it in the case of dust, or do a more complex cleaning on the different, using the different videos I propose to you. So now that I'm clean, I rescrew this part. So that's for the back. You see, it's extremely simple. Then for the front, I take my optical block, then I screw it, I tighten it until I'm good, well, until I feel a good resistance. Then I take this element. The thread here is very fine pitch, so it's not very easy to get it in the beginning. Then once you get it, you will feel some resistance because you still have the glue. Then here you go, extremely simple. This is how you clean a Zeiss Distagon 28mm 2.8.